What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be walking on the trail. We're gonna take you along with me. Now we are here in Whitehall, I think it is. It's called the Ironton Trails. It's been how many years later that I have not been here. Now they built this thingamajig here. No idea what that is, but it looks like a store or something for whatever they do, a concert or whatever the heck they do here. No idea what they do here. It's been 20 years that I've been here. So let's go walk and see the view, enjoy the birds, enjoy the whatever the heck we're gonna see around, and the view. You guys are gonna love the view. See you in a bit. We're not barely at the trail yet, and I'm freaking dying. Here's the big field, and that's where we're heading. We're heading that way. Look at this, guys. Hopefully it don't rain anymore. I'm tired of this rain. Woo! Look at that bird. You missed it. So during Halloween, trick-or-treating, they do hunt here. They close this. They do like clowns and vampire. I never went to it. I never find these stuff entertainment. But if you guys go to Ironton Trails, this is where they do all that stuff. Here's another half of the field. Hopefully we get to see this view. If I had a drone, it would be better. Damn, all the field grew. When I was here, none of this was here. But this is what happens over time. There's a huge lake over there. There's a giant rock that you could climb up to. But we're gonna be heading that way. You'll see. And what is this? A trail of something. I don't remember this trail here. Let's go see what it is. Can't wait to get an electric bike. Oh, you can see the lake a lot better this way. Damn, I want to get a mountain bike. An electric bike. Let's see where this trail goes to. Oh, this is so fun, man. Alright, let's go jog. If I die over here, I'm gonna die over here. This should be another trail. I don't remember none of this before. Now I remember one time there was a bench. There's charcoal. Somebody's been chilling here. Look at this little section here. Oh man, the trail splits. Freaking hell. Let's go this way. Let's go jog. Let's go. Oh man, look at this other trail. Look at this tree. Let's go run. Ah! The monster is coming. They're coming. Hopefully I don't drop anything. Oh, there it is. There's the bench. Pentagram. So that leads, okay, somewhere now. Remember. Whew. It's been a long time that I've been here. I feel like the trail shifted. I think I was like 18 years old when I came here. And plus years later, everything looks different. Everything kind of like that trail. So that trail from the bench, I'm assuming it leads back to here. So I'm still walking. There's other trails. I don't know. People change, likes to change stuff. Let's go see. Damn, this will look fun as hell. With the bike. We're almost at the finish line. Well, at the beginning. There's the road. They could at least made the trail that way. But here's the, I don't know if you guys could see the view. Damn, imagine falling. That sucks. Would really suck. And oh look, there's an arrow. That's new. That is new. Ah, freedom! Alright, let's continue with the actual trail. I remember there was a trail here. Exactly the same trail that I was just at. That's why it looks so, it looks different because somebody did it up that way more. Yeah. Here's the trail. Got a lot of, oh, it overgrown itself. Oh, I got webs all over my face. Oh my god. Yep. I guess that's what happened. Look at that. It's all blocked in. So that's what happened. Here's the trail again. What is this? Looks like a cable. Alright, let's look for my fam. Alright, I found my family. But there's an arrow on a tree that's leading this way. Look at this tree. Let's go look at this. Looks like fire. Somebody tried to burn the forest. Yeah. Alright. Oh, look at this. Falling tree? Oh, this is gonna be fun. I need to get a bike. This will be fun as heck, man. The trail leads on. Trail like this before. Besides the one by my house. It's a nice trail, but it's not like a trail like this in the woods. It's more like a city trail. Everything has to be supervised, if you know what I mean. But here we are. We're at the actual entrance to lead to the lake. Oh my gosh, almost tripped. What is that? Oh, in case of fire, portable water. That is smart. Whoever's in charge of this park, smart. So I'm guaranteed it's freaking empty. No. Huh. I'm actually glad. That is smart. I'm glad they have that there. That explains why the fire tree, somebody caught a fire and they turned it off with that water. Alright, let's catch back up to the fam. We're gonna scare my family. I think I got poison ivy on my leg. It is itching. Here they come. Oh, everybody got scared. Well, I'm glad I sprayed everybody with tick spray so we don't get any ticks. Especially here from Allentown. Yep. So let's go keep walking on the trail. Something is different here now. Here's another field. They do camping. Looks like once upon a time there used to be a flag over here. Look at that happy face. Clown face. Look, that's a clown face. There's another trail right there. Dang. Look at this thing. Camp Red Tail wood. 2 for, oh God, where's the tombstone? Time capsule. Sealed on May 30, 1990. Holy crap. To be open May 2042. That's awesome. Wonder what could be there. But here's a hole. It's a hole. And we're walking. There's a lot of stuff in this trail. Alright, we keep walking. Ah, there's another trail here.
I go with you.
Alright, you guys stay back.
No, I'm not going that way.
See. Oh, look. Come on, bud. Look at the bunny. You missed it.
A bunny.
There's a spider web here. Look at this smart thing here. There's a lot of trails for bikes. Let's go run. Let's go run. Oh, that scared me. Jump over. Good job. Come on, let's keep running. Keep running. Jump over. Run. Run again. Don't fall. Oh God, getting old for this.
Daddy, and I.
All right, look at the bunny. All right, wait a minute. And Lily is back to the trail. The trail that I want to go. This is where the rocks are, where the quarry is at. Guys, you won't believe. Look at the bunny. Right there. You won't believe we found a dead body. Oh my God. Yo, somebody died here. We should call 911. What the hell happened? Somebody hanged somebody. Oh man, I feel bad for him. It's been there for a while. Oh jeez. Alright. Now, hopefully I don't die around here. Don't you guys just love it when you're walking and you get that spider web all over your face? And it just like grabs you and you're just like, oh man, I hope there's no spider on it. Alright, here's the rocks. Look. And put my drink on the floor. These are sleet. This is very dangerous. These are sharp. Look at this butte, guys. Oh, it's dripping. Bet you this water is 100% cleaner than anything you will ever see. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my God, we gotta die. Grab my drink. All these stones. Slate, whatever it's called. It's a nice little spot. Alright. There it is. Guys. Ah, damn it. Everything grew. Let's go this way. A dangerous path. Oh man, it's been a while that I did this. There it is. It stinks. That's where I'm gonna climb. So, let's climb this. Hopefully I don't die. It is nice. I don't even know if there's any fishes down here or anything. Alright, let's keep climbing. Oh man. Guys, please hit that like button. Oh god, I'm gonna fall. These are not the right shoes for this. And I'm holding my drink. Oh god. Don't fall. There's something on the water. Alright, let's keep climbing. Alright, let's climb over here. Hang on this rock. Climb over here. We are here. There you go. Whew. Guess the trail goes somewhere around there somewhere too. Oh man. Alright guys. Now off of here, we just keep following the trail. There's another lake over there. So I'm gonna take you guys over there in a minute. Let me just catch my breath. Imagine there was a face carved there. That would be awesome. My family's on the other side. I just say hi to my family and they're like, Daddy, how'd you get over there? It's so adorable when you have a family and your kids are like, Daddy this and Daddy that. You come home and you get greeted with your kids. That's beautiful. At least it's not that hot outside. Oh, look at this section here. Alright, let's keep on walking, guys. Soon we're gonna see the ruins. Alright, we're back at the main trail here. Quarry is that way. Look, guys, there's a bunny. And there it is. The quarry. Behind this bush. Bush. That was up there. Wonder where this one goes to. Let's go up here. We went at the other side. Hi guys! Went to the other side. There's the spot I was looking for. And here it is. Hi! I know there's fishes in here. But I was up there. Up there somewhere. That's where I was. So now we're back on this little section. Alright, let's go to the docks. And the other lake is over here. Way right there. There's the water. Oh, it drained a bit. Remember? That would suck if there was an alligator here. Yeah, it smells like piss. Stay over there! There's another section here. Ugh. It smells like weed. Here's the other side of the lake. Oh, there's people fishing. Hello. There's the other lake. Right here. Hey, going back, look how creepy this looks. Oh my god, it's more dangerous coming down than coming back up. Oh god. Creepy forest here. That's creepy. I always think about something latching on my leg and dragging me and eat me. All right, let's go to the docks finally. All right, here's the deck. And I was up there, all the way up there. It grew. It grew over time. Ew, you just touched my sweaty face. Here's the hole.
Carol, no te
There's another hole. The other side. All right, now this is the way back to go to the car. But there's a big hike up a hill. So if they need water, you guys want more water?
Where I go fucking that way?
No, it's dangerous.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Even if I care.
Wasn't me. All right, everybody wants water, something to drink. Let's see. This is the only closest shortcut to get to the car van. There used to be a deck here once upon a time. There's a couple of ruins here. This is an awesome place. Damn, this place grew over time, man. Should one day bring him a machete. Bring the machete. Look, a crate. What's in here? I hope I don't find no dead bodies here. A real one. Besides that fake skeleton. Yep, here we go again. I'm gonna get snatched away. Oh, look at this. Will you look at this? What was that? I was up there, guys. That's where I was. Another ridiculous spot. Sheesh. Damn, I don't remember this. Now it's just getting dangerous. Do I have the keys? Because that will suck. Yep, I have the keys. And I guess I climb up from here. Alright guys, I'm gonna bust my ass. Dang, I gotta wake up sore to go to work tomorrow. It looks like people slid slippery up here. Alright, let's climb up here. Guys, hit that. Oh, look at that. Let's go. Hit that like button, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. This is actually my first time climbing this. Oh my gosh. Slippery, muddy hill. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die again. With one hand. Oh, there was a rope. And that's what I'm gonna use. Climb back down. Damn. Can't remember the last time I actually went hiking like this. You know what will feel nice? AC. And AC will feel nice. Arrow that way. Alright. See you at the car. Alright, the hard part is done. I just made it to the vehicle. Got myself cold water, electrolytes. Now the fun part is going back down the slippery ass freaking hill. I got sidetracked. Look at this little tiny trail here. Oh, perfect. Just cut this tree down. Wow. That's where I was. And that's where my family is at. Alright. Let's go to the death slide. Alright, we're back. Hopefully this is the right spot. Was this the spot? I don't remember that tree. Well, one more. I don't even remember. There you go. That looks much better. Hopefully. Was it? I think it was here. Oh God. Oh my gosh, almost died. Yep. Alright guys. Let me put this drink in the pocket. Let me put the drink tied so I don't fall in front of me. Hopefully it don't rip. Alright guys. Oh boy, this is scary as hell. Alright, this part ain't too bad. Alright. Reverse. Beep. Going back. Beep. Going back. Beep. Hopefully this rope will hold me. This shady ass rope. Shady ass rope. Alright. Alright, the muddy field. That's smart. Whoever tied that was probably one that's been down here a couple times and probably said, screw that, I'm falling down. Huh. Alright, rope is pretty sturdy. I'm glad I didn't took my son with me. Oh God, I'm gonna die. Keep me safe. Or at least there's like handles, so like you could tell a lot of people grab this. The way it got deformed. Oh, man. Oh my God. Alright, am I there yet? Nope. Technology. Oh my gosh, almost died again. There's the rock. Alright. And that's how you come down a steep, muddy hill. Alright, see you back at the family. Alright, we're back at the sign. And look what I see. Lights for the Halloween thingy. I guess they blocked that road and they go this way. Toward that skeleton on the other side. But here, that's what it is. So he's gonna go down this trail over here. So we could see the ruins. It's the first ruin here. Be kind. It's funny how these buildings last longer than any other buildings. I don't know where this path leads. It's been a while. But there used to be buildings. This used to be railroad tracks. This used to be railroads. Let's go through the window and hop in. Stay. Your life isn't yours if you always care what others think. It's okay not to be okay. You need Jesus. That's what you need. Look at this. That's pretty cool. Look at this other one. This other one looks cool. Alright, there's the first ruin. Looks like a building of a garage. The way the floor looks. Could have been like some sort of a garage or a shed. No idea. Let's go look at the other ones. Alright, not too far from the other one. Oh, it's the other building right there. There it is. Yeah, right there. Nope, no dead bodies. And that overgrew a bit. There's more stuff here. I don't know if you guys could see. Stay right there. It's been a while. Oh God. Hit that like button, guys. I'm doing dangerous things. It looks like a wall fell. Oh my gosh, I almost died. There's that one. The other way. There's that building. Look at that tunnel. Ooh, it's like the Ring. More junky artwork. Now I did climb up here once upon a time, and I jumped down, which I'm not gonna do because I'm too old. Climb down from there and then jump down. That's the building. It's one of the ruins, and we're back in the front, and that's what it is. Yep. That's an awesome looking tree. I always wonder how these places looked like back in the days. But it's like always, they like to erase history and not show people the true history. Because they always like to make up their history. This trail wasn't here before towards this one. One time I had to go through here.
Wow.
But stay right there, guys. It looks like people were more curious than what this building was. Oh, could be a good spot for homeless people. Look at that. Curious on what's up there. Oh, Schnapples. Somebody put an arrow over here. One time I came here, there was a sleeping bag at one of these entrances and a couple books. Oh shit. Bob. So somebody did this for bikes. For biking trails. Pretty cool. I really want to do bike riding. Let's go climb up here and see what's up. See if I could do this with one hand. Put my leg up here. Put you guys up here with one hand. Grab this little tiny rock. Here, guys. Okay, I'm here. Nothing to it. It's like a forest inside the house. Oh god. I have to climb back down. Oh man, broke my back. Alright. Let's go see the rest of the ruins. It looks like a coffin. I don't know. Is this poison ivy? Because I feel itchy now. The whole leg is itchy. Alright. They made a new road going that way. That wasn't there before. Stand area, please keep out. Wetland area, please keep out. That's wetland. Everything is a wetland in the woods. Alright. We're almost at the other. Once upon a time, Ironton Trail was on the name itself. Is a train station, train stop, or whatever it was back in the days. And hopefully the train is still there, so I could show you guys how it looks like. What I be far? There it is. Don't get close because there's a beehive on it. I thought they were repairing this. They probably painted it. Probably what they did. Lazy people. That's Allentown for you. Oh, there's the trail.
Can you go in?
Wait. I remember there was a beehive once upon a time around here. Once upon a time.
Yeah, it's on a flower. Oh.
Alright, don't get close, buddy. Don't get close, people. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Look how big it looks.
I I can't see.
Oh, there's the steam to warm up the people or whatever the heck it was in here. Come on, back away.
Look.
Yeah, I think they just painted it. Well, the trail could go on for miles that way. And we're gonna go midway here and then we're gonna turn back to head home. Oh, there's asphalt here. Oh, here's a picture. And here's the other building. Ariel, stay right there. I don't know if this is poison ivy or not. Alright. Dang, look at that. They welded that door shut. I don't know if you guys could see under there. Nope. Let me flip you guys over. Dang, the sun is in the way. There's an entrance over there. Leave the entrance to try. Maybe we have a chance to sneak in. But yeah, there's a hole. No, there was the door that was open once upon a time. Whatever that is. Dang, it looks smaller from where I was. My daughter said something. What's in here? Nothing. Don't touch. Oh, there's the building. Let's see if we could sneak inside. Nope, there's no entrance. But yeah, there is, but it's too much for me to enter. I could just climb that tree and enter from the top. But that's some other time in the future when there's an apocalypse. Here's the other building. Move this out of the way. Squish this plant. Oh, I got stabbed. Oh, it has thorns on it. Look at that rock. I'm not touching that rock.
Brian, por allá hay un camino. Brian, por el otro lado hay un camino.
Wait. I'm gonna fall. That's what used to be in here. I guess people were just hiding in here smoking stuff. Oh my gosh, I died. Smoking illegal, doing illegal stuff. But been told there's a trail here.
Ay, Isaac. Culpa tuya. Te perdieron todo.
Oh, they went to trail snacks. I don't know, that looks unsafe. But that's it. That's the trail midway. Let's go back to the car. There is a building over there. Oh, you want to see that building first? Oh, they did that nice. I'll be there. This is another building. This one, I'm pretty sure we could go in. Let's get closer. Ready? Let's run. There it is. Yeah, they cleaned up this building. This used to be a garage. There's a barrel. I don't know why there's barrels here. Fire. I think this one was a fire station. Ew. Yeah, I think this was a fire station. The fire trucks, garage. More pictures. I don't know if you can see the picture. You are here. Yeah, see, fire engine house. That's what it was. That's what it is. All right, let's go back to the film. And look at this. Huh. They step up their game. This is new. Oh, there's a plant. They planted here. This is the bird watch building. Here it says bird watch. This wasn't like this before. Built in 1891 or 891. Look at this, all mulched up and everything. Whoa. What's back here? I see a sign. Please do not enter. Native plant garden under construction. Huh. Those are the bird houses. It looks like it hasn't been touched for a while. This area is under blah blah blah. This is where you watch the birds with the binoculars. You see the birds flying around. Oh look, the piece fell off. There's another thing here. You can watch birds. Oh, the hanger. They're planting stuff. They planted stuff, probably trees or something that birds would like. They planted something here. Somebody vandalized it. Named it. I hate people. Dogwood. There was probably a plant there and stupid people. Here's why I hate people. Because they can't leave things alone. Huh. It says do not enter as much as I want to enter. It says plant for birds. Huh. Look at this plant. This is nice. Let's go walk the trail. There's a sign that says this native plant garden is under construction by the Whitehall Township Environmental Advisory Council. Yep. It looks nice. No, they did good job. Good job, guys. It looks nice. Now, try to keep maintaining it because people are dirty. Let's keep walking. We're almost back to the car. Alright guys, we made it back to the vehicle. It is time to head home. Thank you so much for watching this video. And this is the trail of Ironton here in Allentown in South Whitehall. I don't know the freaking place. It's in Whitehall in Allentown. Check it out, Ironton Trail. It is nice and tiring. Make sure you bring lots of water and stay hydrated. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.